Fix Verizon Fios TV signal issues. Easy troubleshooting guide. Experiencing signal issues with your Verizon Fios TV can be frustrating. Signal problems can lead to a loss of picture quality and disrupt your viewing experience. Here, we'll cover common signal problems and provide troubleshooting tips to help you resolve them. Signal loss. Signal loss is a frequent issue that can interrupt your TV service. If your screen goes blank or shows a no signal message, follow these steps. 1. Check all cable connections. Ensure they are secure and properly attached. 2. Restart your Fios set-top box. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. 3. Verify your TV is on the correct input source. Use the remote to cycle through inputs. 4. Inspect the coaxial cable for damage. Replace it if you see any wear or tear. 5. Contact Verizon support. If the issue persists, they can check for outages or send a technician. Pixelated picture. A pixelated picture can make it hard to enjoy your favorite shows. Pixelation often occurs due to weak signals or interference. Try these solutions. Ensure all cables are tightly connected. Loose cables can weaken the signal. Check for any splitters in your setup. Splitters can degrade signal quality. Remove them if possible. Reset your router and modem. This can help if the issue is network related. Move electronic devices away from your set-top box. Other electronics can cause interference. Upgrade to high-quality cables. Better cables can improve signal strength and picture quality. By following these steps, you can often resolve signal problems quickly. A strong, consistent signal ensures the best viewing experience.